Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's the Multiple Strength King, LaDerrick Williams, CEO and founder of the Paid in Full family. Hey, what's going on, y'all? Listen, real quick, before I get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, all right? If you're new to my channel, and also click that bell so anytime I drop a video, you're the first to be notified. One second. You all, you're gonna have to mind me, all right? Because I got a little slight cold that I'm getting over. All right, it's been coming out, so if I do a little barking and coughing, I apologize. Right, it's the beauty of working from home and doing your own videos. You can do what you want to do. And I'm sorry, I'm getting notifications as I speak, so let me move those real quick. Okay, you all know I work from home, right? And it's the best thing going since sliced bread, okay? But I want to talk to you all today, all right? As you can see the title, job security, all right? Is there a such thing? Is there a such? I want to know you all's opinion, okay? Comment below if you think there's a such thing as job security. What jobs do you know are secure? There may be some out there, I don't know. And there may be someone who's watching this, they may want to jump into that field of a job that's secure if they lock in that position. Let me know. All right, in my opinion, there's no such thing as job security. You all, let me share something with you all today. Okay, let me share something with you all today, man. So, a new individual just got started with us, all right, at my current employer's job, right? Well, who I'm currently working for, that I will soon be firing my boss, okay? This guy, maybe late 50s, early 60s, right? In a warehouse job. This is a tough job, okay? So it's really no place for anyone, all right, that doesn't, in the age range, I would say you would stop at your early 50s, all right, if that, okay? Because it's some work, and it definitely can wear and tear on your back. You can see the pain in his face when he's working, you all. All right, but check this out. The reason I love the job is the communication, all right? The open dialogue and the talks. You never know who you're talking to in these trailers. I tell them all the time, you might be in a trailer with a millionaire. Myself, all right? Or anyone else, all right? We got people up there that, it's a gentleman, he owns 6 donut shops. All right, he only works a couple hours a day. All right, he's up there literally for the benefits because they have some of the best benefits in Dallas. All right, but check this out. This guy gets to opening up and sharing his story. And the reason why he got started with us at the job, he said, man, I'm starting all over. He was like, I was just let go from my job of 28 years. 28 years, y'all. Excuse me. 28 years. 28 years. Let that sink in. Imagine being at a job. You've been busting your tail and working your tail off for them for 28 years. That's a long time. Okay? That's a long time. And they just let them go. Then get into the specifics on the reason why. All right, it's none of my business. All right, seems like a nice individual. All right, 28 years. That's not cool. That man should have been able to retire there. 28 years, and then he's starting all over. And said now at this job he planned to be here. All right, until it's time to go. That's no way to live, man. That's no way to live at all. All right. There's no way to live it. That really stirred up something in me when I heard it. Like, I literally wanted to just run home and get back started on my business ASAP. Just work until I passed out. 28 years, and they let this man go. Have you heard anything like that before? My mother, okay? She was working for Comerica Bank. I think she gave them like a good 15 years. And what happened with them, I want to say 15, maybe 20. She was up there too, okay? What happened with them though is they shut the company down in Dallas and were moving to California. So if she wanted to keep the job, she would have to transfer and move to California. How can you tell someone that when their whole family, everything they know is in Dallas? Now you got some people that would have been cool with it. Hey, I don't have nothing going on, no family, no kids. Go, hey, more power to you. But that's not the norm for everyone. Majority of the people have a life. And so she couldn't take it. The majority of the people at that job couldn't move on. All right, so she got a severance package. All right. And she had to look for something else. Thank God, because of her skill set, she was able to find something right away. A lot of her counterparts were not so lucky. She kept telling me, Derek, this person ain't found a job. This person ain't found a job. All right, she owes it all to the favor of God, because my mother, she's a faithful woman. All right, she's a faithful woman, very faithful. Okay, and so she owes it all and gives all credit to God. Okay, there's a lot of people that just wasn't able to find another job. Okay, it took them forever. Some of them went through some hardships. Okay, that happens a lot. Okay, so what's it gonna be? All right, you need a side hustle. You need your own business. Okay, it's not as hard as you all are thinking, man. You're overcomplicating it. Okay, it's just all about getting started. But don't wait until it's too late, and then you're operating in a spirit of desperation. All right, that's when you're really, all right, spinning your wheels, and that's when you really, all right, can put yourself in a very, very, very dangerous situation. All right, because now you're doing things you know you wouldn't do. Okay, not even gonna speak on those things, but I know of several people that have resulted into some things they wish they would have never got themselves into, but desperate times calls for desperate measures, as they say. All right, and so it's sad, man, but it's also real. We live in a real world, okay? And right now, more than ever, entrepreneurship it's bigger than it's ever been before, okay? Kids starting as young as 4 or 5 years old are becoming entrepreneurs, YouTubers, all right? Becoming their own bosses before they get to high school, all right? All the way up into the mid-60s, all right? You got people that are starting businesses and are becoming profitable, okay? So you're never too young and you're never too old. It's just all about getting started. What you gonna do? You gonna make excuses? I could have made excuses because I'm coughing and sick right now. I could have made excuses. But did I? No. The show must go on. All right, we gotta work. No excuses, just results. Listen, you can make money or you can make excuses, but you can't do both. All right? You can keep on depending on that job if you want to. I'm here to tell you today, man, there's no such thing as job security. All right? You are the security. You make your own security. All right? You wanna lock in some security? Start your own business. All right? That all makes sense. Start your own business. All right? I got info below, man. Check me out. Follow me on Facebook. Follow me on Instagram. Keep following my YouTube channel. Share this with someone. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all on the next video.